هذا صاحبة المطعم. What's your name?
Ayesha.
Ayesha. Your biryani 3 dirham?
3 dirham. Not only biryani. Biryani, fruit, 3 dates, chocolate, Tiffany chocolate, 1 water.
Very nice.
Kullu 3 dirham.
3 dirham, huh? في فايدة؟
Kullu faida from Ajay.
From Allah. Ramadan. Only for Ramadan 3 dirham.
4 years complete. This is 5th year.
هذا البرياني مالك 3 درهم يا بلاش. 3 درهم. هذا عملية يقولون التركي قلي الدياي. هذا اللي يقلون الدياي. هذا جدر الدياي. هذا جدر البرياني جديد. هذا العيش خلص.
Every day after Asr Salah, you will see 350 to 400 boys standing outside food area. Other than that, we have Al Saja Labour Park. Saja Labour Park. 6,000 boys. And we are able to give how much? 1,500, 2,000 free food only. After that, we close the gate. Allah, it pains. Yani, as a mother, I have to close the door on the face of the miskin. So much of pain. So I request everyone, come. You come with your own hands. You give. You see. You will see.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
If we all come together, we can finish world hunger. If everybody decides to give 1 meal in a day, it's possible. They will finish world hunger. There will be nobody hungry. We can do it. All of us together can do it. That is why I am giving food for small cost. Yani many people. In 10 dirham, you can give food to 3 people.
هذا جدا العيش. غالي ما شاء الله. هذا البرياني 3 درهم يا بلاش.
Request at least everyone to come. So if you see, you will realize, you will feel, yani Allah has given us so much. We can do small thing for miskin. We must do. So we want even children, bacha, big people. We request everyone, come, see. If you see, you will be a better human being. You will give.
Thank you. هذا بدينا نحمله. حملوا لنا البرياني والماي. يا سلام. هذه 100 وجبه ب 300 درهم. حملنا ابوي. هذا المطعم.